Welcome to our Authors Luau. We've put together a video to teach you about pond life here in North Carolina. We began our video with a look at our hands-on research done at Laurel Hills Pond. We hope you enjoy our video and learn new things about our local pond life. And now it's time for Patrick and Trent to teach us about newts.
Hi, my name is Patrick.
And my name is Trent.
We are here to teach you about newts. Newts are very interesting species. Newts are brightly colored salamanders. They are 3 to 4 inches long. They have 4 legs, 3 fingers, 5 toes on each back leg. Newts have red spots along their sides. They are red-orange, but over about 2 to 3 years they turn green.
Are you hungry?
A newt eats
worms, insects, snails, and small fish. Is somebody hungry for newts? Gator snakes eat me. Guess where I live? They live in moist wooded areas in North America, Europe, and Asia. And now it's time for Fun Facts! Did you know that newts fight with frogs and newts win? Most newts have poison. See you next time on OCE News. Now it's time for Caroline and Taylor to teach you about snails.
Hi, I'm Caroline.
And my name is Taylor.
We are here to teach you today about snails. Snails are very, very interesting. Snails have a head with a flattened foot. It also has a hard shell that protects its soft body. The size of a snail could get from 0.02 inch to 30 inches. Snails have 2 pairs of tentacles on its head.
What's for dinner? Well, snails eat living and dead organisms. Snails are dinner too. Other creatures eat snails like birds, crayfish, fish, frogs, snakes, turtles, beetles, and other insects, and sometimes people.
Guess where I live? Well, snails live all around the world in the sea, in fresh water, and a moist area on land.
And now it's time for fun facts. Woohoo! The African snail is the biggest snail on Earth. It is over 15.5 inches long and weighs about 2 pounds. And that's all on OCE News. And now it's time for the Dragonflies team.
Hi, my name is Eden.
And my name's called Jake.
We are here to teach you about dragonflies. The dragonfly is a very cool creature. The dragonfly has 4 wings and 2 eyes. They also have a head, thorax, and an abdomen. They also have 6 jointed legs. The dragonfly has little holes in its back. They also have 2 pairs of wings. Do you eat dragonflies? Because if you do, I'm going to fly away.
Birds, frogs, fish, and sometimes even spiders eat dragonflies. Dragonflies eat flies, mosquitoes, bees, ants, and sometimes even butterflies. Dragonflies live near water. And you want to hear something cool? Dragonflies lose its skin, and it also has some claws. Adults only live for a few or a couple weeks. And they also have jaws. That's all for today on OCE News. Now it's time for Riley and Ellis to teach you about turtles.
Hi, my name is Riley.
And my name is Ellis. We are here to teach you about the painted turtle. The painted turtle is very cool. It has white stripes
on his head. They have a small tail. Its shell is 10 inches long. They use their web feet for swimming. I'm hungry. I eat crayfish, insects, small fish, frogs, snails, slugs, tadpoles, fish eggs, and dead animals. My predators are raccoons, skunks, birds, and snakes.
I live in ponds, lakes, marshes, and slow-moving rivers. Are you ready for fun facts? The painted turtle lives 5 to 10 years. The eggs hatch in 10 to 11 weeks. I hope you enjoyed it. And now it's time for Andrew and Hunter to teach you about the water fleas.
Hi, my name is Hunter.
And my name is Andrew. We are here to teach you about water fleas. Water fleas are more interesting than you think. Their wings look like stalks of wheat, and they are super strong. It has one eye in the center of its head, and they have a hard shell and are only 0.2 inches long. They also have 5 or 6 pairs of legs. Guess what a water flea is eaten by? Well, I will tell you now. A water flea is eaten by other large water animals like fish and crayfish, maybe also beetles, dragonflies, and other insects. The algae, plankton, and bacteria. They will be found in ponds, streams, and rivers away from the ocean. Males are found in autumn and spring, and they are also found in fresh water. Some live in an aquarium.
And now it's time for fun facts.
Woohoo! Water fleas are crustaceans, and there are 620 different kinds of water fleas.
They don't lay eggs.
Most are filter feeders. Some are predators. Thank you for watching our performance on OCE News. See you next time. Now it's time for Emily H. and Ella to teach you about crayfish.
Everybody.
Hi, my name is Emily. And my name is Ella. We are here today to teach you about crayfish. Want to learn about crayfish? Then watch, listen, and learn. Crayfish have 8 legs for it to walk. A crayfish is 6 inches long. Guess what I eat? I eat fish, shrimp, pond plants, worms, insects, snails, and plankton. I live in streams, rivers, swamps, and ponds. There are about 150 kinds of crayfish in North America, and over 540 kinds around the world. And now it's time for fun facts.
Woohoo!
Did you know that crayfish dig into the soil to get to water so that they can breathe? If a crayfish loses a leg, and it will grow a new one in its place. A crayfish is an amazing animal. And thanks for watching us on OCE News, and have a great day. Now it's time for Augustine, Joey, and Sam to teach you about frogs.
Hi, my name is Sam.
And my name is Augustine.
And my name is Joey. We are here to teach you about frogs and tadpoles. A frog is a very interesting creature. When it is born, it calls a tadpole. It looks like a
It looks like a fish. It breathes through its gills.
It has no legs.
And swims using a tail. When it gets bigger, frogs have long, powerful back legs and very short back. Long, powerful legs and very short backbone. Guess what eats a tadpole?
Fish. I will tell you. Fish, newts, snakes, dragonflies, snails, and herons.
And do you know what a tadpole eats? Well, I will tell you. Plants, algae, and its egg.
Here where a tadpole lives. Pond and streams.
Now it's time for fun facts. Did you know that frogs eat insects with their long, sticky tongue?
Thanks for watching OCE News. Now it's time for Sophia and Abby.
Hi, my name is Abby.
And my name is Sophia.
We're here today to teach you about perch. The perch is a very interesting creature in the freshwater habitat. Perch have rough scales and fins everywhere. It has gills so it can breathe while it is swimming underwater. Have you ever wondered what a perch eats? Well, I'm going to tell you. A perch eats fish, crayfish, snails, insects, and worms. What eats them is larger pondfish, bass, and birds. Have you ever wondered where perch live? Well, I will tell you. Perch live in America, Europe, South Africa, Australia, and Asia. And now it's time for fun facts.
Did you know that baby perch can't swim as well as grown-up perch? And one female can lay up to 25,000 eggs.
Now it's time for Tess and Emily to teach you about ducks. Hi, my name is Emily.
And my name's Tess.
We are here to teach you about ducks.
Ducks are amazing.
Males are brightly colored, having a green head and bright collar, and a bright yellow bill.
Females are spotted brown with a brown bill.
Marlins are about 20 to 23 inches long.
Are you hungry?
Well, I'll tell you what ducks eat.
Ducks eat duckweed.
Raccoons, some people, turtles, skunks, weasels, hawks, and eagles eat ducks.
Guess where I live?
I live in a freshwater pond, swamps, lakes, and streams.
Did you know ducks first became pets?
Did you know a duckfoot is related to swans and geese?
See you next time on OCE News. Now it's time for the herring, Elizabeth and Lily, the herring.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth.
And my name is Lily.
We're here to teach you about herons.
The great blue heron is an amazing creature. The great blue heron is 4 feet tall. The great blue heron has gray feathers and it has a brown neck. It has a blue and black color on its crown and a yellow bill.
Do you wonder where a heron lives in? It lives in North America in swamps, marshes, tidal flats, and shores.
Do you know what a heron eats? A crayfish lizard. It eats crayfish, lizards, frogs, rodents, fish, and insects. The heron spiders are foxes, hawks, and raccoons.
Now it's time for the fun facts.
Woohoo!
Did you know that the great blue heron says, Frank, Frank, Frank?
See you next time on OC News. We hope you enjoyed our research.
And
Now it's time to sew